Welcome to all participants. Today we learn here activity number 2.3 and the name of the activity is an invisible bench. This activity is given in the 6th standard. Invisible means अदृश्य, bench means बाग. तर ही एक एकांकिका आहे, नाटिका आहे. तर याच्यामध्ये अनेक कॅरेक्टर्स आहेत. तर आपण त्या कॅरेक्टरचा परिचय करून घेऊया. Bina, Aman, Chanda, Dinesh, Ekta, those are the characters or participants in this activity. Aman walks on stage and squats down as if he is sitting on a bench that is invisible. Bina walks up to Aman. हा एक अदृश्य असा स्वरूपाचा बाक आहे आणि त्या अदृश्य असणाऱ्या बाकावरती अमन बसलेला आहे आणि बीना त्याला विचारते. पहा, बीना सेज व्हॉट आर यू डुईंग. अमन सेज आय एम सिटिंग ऑन द इनव्हिजिबल बेंच. बीना कॅन आय जॉइन यू. अमन सेज शुअर. दोज आर सिटिंग ऑन द इनव्हिजिबल बेंच. चंदा सेज व्हॉट आर यू डुईंग. Aman and Bina, we are sitting on the invisible bench. Chanda says, can I join you? Aman and Bina, sure. Then three members are sitting on the invisible bench. Then all other members are coming there and they are says, Dinesh and Ekta, what are you guys doing? Aman, Bina and Chanda, those are sitting on the invisible bench. They are saying, we are sitting on the invisible bench. Then Dinesh and Ekta are saying to that member, can we join you? Aman, Bina and Chanda, sure. They are saying sure. In this way, 5 members are sitting on an invisible bench. Now on the next page, page number 34, Farooq walks on stage. Farooq says to that member, what are you guys doing? All others, they are saying with each together, just sitting here on the invisible bench. Farooq says, no, you aren't points. I moved the bench over here. There. तुम्ही त्या अदृश्य बाकावर बसले नाहीत कारण तुम्ही अगोदरच तो अदृश्य बाक त्या ठिकाणावरनं हलवलेला आहे, बाजूला घेतलेला आहे. All others says, oh no. And all members, they all fall down. ते सगळे खाली पडलेले आहेत. Then Farooq are laughing, ha 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 ha. And then Aman says, let's do that again. Now Farooq says, what are you guys doing? All others just sitting here on the invisible bench. Farooq, no, you aren't. I moved the bench over there yesterday. Aman said, but I moved it back here this morning. मी पुन्हा काय केलेला आहे, तो बाग पुन्हा सकाळी काय केलेला आहे, पुन्हा जागेवर घेतलेला आहे. फारूक सेज देट इट इज ऑल राईट. कॅन आय जॉइन यू. अमन सेज शुअर. In this way, those characters are sitting on individual bench. Then Farooq comes there and says, what are you guys doing? Others say sitting on the individual bench. Then Farooq says, oh no, I had just finished painting that bench. तर मी आताच त्याचं पूर्णपणे रंगकाम केलेलं आहे. All other are says आग. Then Aman says, let's do that again. आपण let us means आपण हे करूया, do that again. All others says okay. Farooq says, what are you guys doing? All others sitting on the individual bench. Farooq says, oh no, I just had finished painting that bench. Aman, oh, that's okay. We all have our individual bench suits on. Now the next part. Farooq says, I have another idea. Farooq says, what are you guys doing? All others, we are moving this individual bench. तर बाकीचे जे पार्टिसिपंट ते सांगतात की तो बाग आम्ही हलवतो आहे या ठिकाणावरनं. फारूक सेज, आय हर्ड दे आर सर्विंग इंडिव्हिज्युअल केक्स इन दॅट हॉल देअर. तर सगळेजण त्या ठिकाणावरनं काय होतात, All throw down the individual bench and run in the direction of the hall. Farooq follows. फारुख त्यांचा पाठलाग करतायत आणि ते सगळेजण काय करतात, हॉलच्या दिशेने काय करतात, रनआउट होतात. दॅट इज द enact the first question on page number 36. enact the skit. तर तुम्ही ही जी एकांकिका आहे त्याचा तुम्ही पार्टिसिपेंट जे आहेत त्यांच्यामध्ये हे एकांकिकेचा रोल करायचा आहे. नाव 2 and 3rd question is here. You have to refer individual pen, individual paper, individual scissor, and enact your answers. And the last question is given, the activity number 4. Join the pieces to make at least 10 meaningful sentences. Remember to use a question mark if you begin your sentence with who. Here are some sentences. First question I make here, who is singing? Who is singing? Then some sentence I make here, I saw your picture. I am singing. We are singing. Then who will help us? Who will singing? She is singing. He is singing. You are our teacher. We are in standard 6. He is her classmates. In this way, you have to prepare many sentences by using this chart. In this way, you have to practice, and also you have to write some exercise on your notebook. So thanks. We are listening my lecture. We are learned my lecture. We meet the next lecture. We will meet the next lecture. Thanks.